So we're looking at the Boston facility right here, and we'll take a look at one of the hosts in this network. Let's look at this one right here, and if we hover over it, we can see that the network, the IP address on this device is 10.35.224.155. Now this is a private IP address, so this is not an address that we can ping from publicly from the internet. Now we could ping this address from any of the devices in the Boston facility, and we could even ping it from any of these other 5 facilities, since this entire MAN it's all a private network. So in order to be able to ping this, to ping any of the devices in this facility from the internet, we would need to have NAT. Now we have static NAT configured on all of these 3 routers here. So we could, any device that's on the internet could ping the global IP address of this device right here and be able to reach it that way. Now if we come here on our IP address mappings, we'll see that the device we just looked at is mapped to the IP address of 9.35.224.155. So this first one here, 10.35.224.155, is the private IP address, and this is the global IP address here. So that's the one that we want to go ahead and ping and make sure we can reach the device that way. So let's come down here to the Philadelphia facility, and we'll take this device right here. Okay. We'll ping that, and as you can see, we're getting a reply from the device in the Boston facility. So that tells us how NAT is working. Now we could go ahead and look at this in simulation mode, so that will allow us to graphically look at the packets traveling between the 2 networks. So we'll go ahead and initiate a continuous ping. So if we use this T here, that will allow us to just ping continuously until we actually come and manually stop it ourselves. So go ahead and ping that address. Actually, we want to first put packet tracer in simulation mode before initiating the ping. So we'll do that and come back to the command line and initiate the ping again. Okay. Now, as you can see, this device here, there's a ping message that's ready to leave. So if we just hit play, you can see it's already making its way to the other network. Now that's the switch has forwarded it out all of its ports, and from the router it goes to the Boston facility. The ping message has reached the device, and will soon generate a reply. And that goes out to all the ports on the switch. And then the message goes to the one of the routers, and we've just got a reply, and you can see there is a confirmation right there. And if we come back to our command line, you can see that we got a reply from the device that we pinged. and this will just keep going on and on. So we'll go ahead and stop that the continuous ping, and that's it for our static NAT.